G'day, Ben from Beacon Equipment here. First of all, thanks to the guys from Sweeney for the purchase. It's just one of many Wacker Neuson machines that they've now got in their fleet. Here we have the DT08 track dumper. It's a 800 kilo payload machine and it's normal front tip, but it is a high tip skip machine, so you get 500 kilos at your high tip. The high tip you're looking at about 1500 I think it is, and your normal front tip is at about 750. It runs a Yanmar diesel engine, about 9 horsepower, max travel speed of about 4 kilometers an hour. Your narrowest width is 790 mil, so it makes those narrow access jobs, pretty nice. You get down the back of most gateways into the backyards.
Handy for pop tools,
pool
and
digs,
everything.
big
I
one for the
suppose,
pool guys, or just anyone that's too lazy to push wheelbarrows.
I think there'll be a few more wheelbarrows in this though than the
I think there's about 3 to 4 heaped wheelbarrows into one of these, so it is quite efficient. To start the machine, it's just a key start machine, so you've got your, if you want to come around here, Mel, I'll show you where the keys. So you just got a key start, just got to make sure you got your throttle up a little bit. For your control system, we've just got 2 levers, one which controls the left hand side, one which controls the right hand side. They're front and back. We've got a 2-speed travel, so you do have a turtle and a rabbit mode, and then you've just got your operation of your skip, so obviously up and down and tilting the skip. Do you want to have a look in the engine bay?
Yeah, might as well. So it said serviceability wise and all the rest of it.
Little Yanmar. It's a 2-year, 2,000 hour engine warranty, I think, and a 5-year, 5,000 hour machine warranty. Great access to the battery, to your filters, to your diesel fuel tank, oil filters. So yeah, very, very accessible and easy to do all your daily maintenance.
I like how the little tool kit's there.
Yeah,
little pocket for the tool kit.
Stuff's in there as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's about it on the engine.
Cool.
Coola boola.
Yeah.
When you're putting this up,
see, this is the bonus tip right here.
You got to push this forward first, and then latch.
Right.
So just pull this up, and then see how it folds. There's just a little bar in there which folds over and then clips in. Right. You've had people trying to push it in, they'll be like, what's going on?
All right. Do you guys want to give a demo of it actually going up, or tracking, or whatever? That on purpose. Awesome.
Bit premature on the key off then. So here's a throttle control.
So it turns off with the throttle?
Yes.
It's like a pull, like a puller on a tractor basically. Yeah.
So obviously turn that off, and you do have your alarm.
Should tell you.
Keys, you've got to turn your key off once so you don't kill your battery.
Okay. Cool. Thanks for watching.
Also, you can just walk behind it if need be.
Yep. Right, cool.
Okay, cool. Just quick outro, guys.
What was that?
A quick outro. Thanks for watching,
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you very much.